In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Yahoo Mail account using both the Yahoo Mail app and a mobile web browser. Whether you're frequently on the go or simply prefer managing your email from your phone, I'll guide you through both methods to ensure you stay connected with ease. To begin, let's talk about accessing Yahoo Mail via the dedicated app. First, you'll need to head over to your device's app store. If you're using an Apple device, go to the App Store, and if you're on an Android device, visit the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Yahoo Mail and look for the official Yahoo Mail app. Once you've found it, go ahead and download it onto your device. With the app installed, let's move on to the next step. Open the app by tapping the Yahoo Mail icon on your home screen. The app will welcome you with a straightforward interface asking you to sign in. Here, you'll need to tap the option that says Sign in with Yahoo or something similar. This will bring up the sign-in page. Now, it's time to enter your details. Start by typing in your Yahoo email address, username, or phone number linked to your account. Once you've done that, hit Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully input your password to ensure there aren't any mistakes. This will help you avoid unnecessary login issues. If you've entered everything correctly, you should now be automatically directed into your Yahoo Mail inbox, where you can access all your emails. The app's user-friendly design makes it simple to manage your inbox, compose emails, or search for old conversations right at your fingertips. But what if you'd rather use a mobile web browser to access Yahoo Mail? Don't worry, I've got you covered with that option too. Start by opening a web browser on your mobile device. Popular options include Chrome and Safari, but other browsers will work just fine as well. In the address bar, type mail.yahoo.com and hit enter to navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once there, you will see a familiar sign-in interface. Just as we did with the app, you'll need to enter your Yahoo ID here, and that could be your email address, username, or phone number. After you've included your ID, proceed to enter your password. And that's it. With everything correctly filled out, you should now find yourself in your Yahoo Mail inbox ready to read and reply to emails. As you've seen, accessing Yahoo Mail from your mobile device is a simple process, whether using the app or a browser. Both methods offer flexibility, enabling you to check your emails whenever and wherever you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.